Good day everyone! Today we are presenting a role play entitled The Performance Review Challenge. In this role play, we will demonstrate how three important learning theories, which is the behaviorism, the constructivism, and social learning theory, can be applied in human resource setting. This setting is a performance review meeting between a manager and an employee. The purpose of this review is to recognize achievements, discuss areas for improvements, and set goals for the next cycle. Along the way, the HR manager will use different theories to guide the conversation. We will also have support members to show examples of social learning and an observer to evaluate the use of these theories. Let us begin.
Good morning, Mr. Reniere. Thank you for coming to your annual performance review. This meeting is important because it gives us time to reflect on your progress, celebrate your achievements, and talk about how we will help you to grow even more.
Good morning, Ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I am eager to hear your feedback.
First of all, let me congratulate you. You exceed your sale target this year, which is an excellent accomplishment. Because of this, you will receive a performance bonus. You truly deserve this recognition.
Thank you very much. I worked for this, and I appreciate the recognition.
However, I also noticed that sometimes struggle with submitting reports on time. I encourage you to work on your time management. If you improve this, you will perform even better.
Yes, I admit that I need to manage my team more effectively. I will take your advice and work on this time.
Now, I would like to hear from you. What do you think contributed most to your success this year?
I believe teamwork played a big role. My colleagues supported me, and we shared ideas to meet our goals.
That is a great reflection. What goal would you like to set for yourself in the next cycle?
For next years, I want to improve my leadership skills. And I would like to learn how to lead projects and guide my teammates.
That's an excellent goal. Setting your own direction will help you to grow not only as an employee, but also a future leader. You know what? Let me share with you some best practices from your peer that may inspire you.
For me, I started using a planner to organize my daily tasks. This simple habit improved my time management.
For me also, I learned from LMA how to stay calm when dealing angry customers. It also improved my data or my performance and also helped me to resolve issues faster.
Yes, I discovered that being calm and respectful makes communication easier. My teammates learn from me and it improves our customer service.
These examples are very helpful. I will try using a planner and practice being calm with customers.
That's the spirit. Learning from others' success is a powerful way to improve.
Let me share with you my notes. The HR manager applied. Behaviorism by giving praises, recognition, and corrective feedback. Next is constructivism by asking reflective questions and by allowing the employee to set goals. Last is social learning theory. So by sharing clear examples and modeling behavior. So all these three theories were clearly applied in this review.
I think behaviorism was effective because recognition motivates employees to do better.
I agree with you. And I also think that the reflection questions were important because they allow employee to think of their own growth.
I like social learning examples because they gave practical strategies that the employee can try.
In the future, review can also include more detailed action steps so employees know exactly what to do.
This concludes our role play entitled The Performance Review Challenge. Through this activity, we learn how behaviorism, we learn how constructivism, and we learn how social learning theory can be applied in human resource to guide employees toward growth and improvement.